Now this is how you replace a igniter on a Procomm heater, wall heater, like that, gas heater. And what it is, if you go in there, you're going to have to take that part off in order to get to the igniter. Just unscrew it. It's got a little nut in there. Just pull that cable off, unscrew it, and take it out from the top. But what you have to do is just do it from the front. Now there are two screws. One holds this thing on this side and one on that side. So you unscrew those, flip it down, then at the bottom there's one at the corner, at each corner, and take one out, hold this up here so it doesn't damage anything, and then take the last screw out and then pull it out, then go back in there and do it. Anyway, that's how you do it. Now take that off from the front and then reach in there and take it out. And when you put those bolts back in, just flip this back in there. So you just put the two bolts back in there and you're all set.